Bring sunlight refer to intense direct sunlight, often characterized by a clear sky and the absence of cloud cover. Hazy sunlight occurs when the sun is partly obscured by dust, smoke, fog, or other fine particles in the atmosphere. Dusk sunlight refer to weak or subdued sunlight typically seen on overcast or cloudy days when the sun is obscured by a thick artificial light. Transparent object. Water glass that allow light to pass stretch it work out significant scattering, making it possible to clearly see object on the other side. Artificial light translucent subject. That water glass allow light to pass stretch but scatters it in such a way that object on that other side appear blurred or indistinct. Artificial light opaque object. That object does not allow any light to pass stretch, making it possible to see stretch light is either absorbed or reflected by the materials.